the Goldilocks zone. So today we're working on pulling the gas tank out of the Skyline. I've got a whole story that goes along with that. I probably told it before this video. I'll figure that out. I'm always bad at timing these, but I always just jump right in. So anyways, all that to say is that yeah, we've already started working on this, and I pulled the exhaust off. Thank you, Greg, for helping me pull that off. And then there's also like all the exhaust hangers. So we basically hit those with PB Blaster and then unscrewed that. And yeah, that came apart. And then also got the drive shaft disconnected. Right now I'm working on the e-brake line, and I'm just gonna kind of finagle that guy, gonna pull that off, and then start pulling the subframe down. So the whole plan is to get the subframe out, and then I've got the gas tank over here, somewhere back there, boop. And then we get this car running and driving, and hopefully get it ready for sale. Because I bought this, but I've got too many damn cars, once again. So figured this should find a better home. It's a nice super stock Skyline GT, and that's why I'm making a video about it. So, all right, if you guys have been following, you'll know that I've had this probably for about a year now, and it's just kind of been sitting, but we're gonna make it run. All right, let's go. Getting out the subframe, you gotta pull out the handbrake. You gotta pull it out. There we go, boom. See, one-handed on you, motherfucker, one hand on you. So, show you how I did that. In the front of the car, in the handbrake, there's a little nut. You unscrew that, and it releases the tension down this way. And then back here, in the Skylines, there's these little holders under the gas tank. So under the gas tank, there's these nice metal panels to protect it, because it's plastic. And it has these little clips that hold the e-brake in. That helps route it through the gas tank, and then under there, and then it goes all the way back. So you gotta pull those out, and then that releases the tension. And then now when the subframe comes out, it's all gonna come down as one piece, and I don't have to worry about it. Got the brakes off, got the jack under the car. I think everything's disconnected. And yeah, gonna drop a subframe next. And now the subframe is out. Woo, 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 woo. And while I'm under here, might as well show how fucking clean it is. Super nice here under the gas tank. Like, this car's just very clean bones. So pretty nice. So I'm working on, I guess, the gas tank swap in the Skyline, and I think we've got a contender now for the worst fuel pump I've ever seen. All right, y'all ready for this one? Look at this. Look at how gnarly that is. This fuel sock should be white. Yeah, this thing's definitely getting a new fuel pump. All right, guys, so JDM Cars 101, right? Car doesn't run well. One of the things you're gonna need to swap out is that fuel pump. Feels like this is gonna be dumb. And I'm gonna make a mess, no matter what. It's like red gold. It's very gross. I did not make as much of a mess as I thought I would. Whee. Okay, sit down here. Booyah. Alright, now there's all these little guys. That one needs to come undone. Those. This is the actual tank strap. That strap is unnecessary. Alright. So I've got the lines on this guy. New stuff where it needed it. I've got the fuel pump hanger, not the hanger, but I've got the fuel sending signal. Was it the level signal sender? Level sender? Got that in there. I'm gonna put it in. Just wanted to take a quick video of this before putting it back in. All right, I got the gas tank in the car. It's in there, but it's not like super in there. So maybe tomorrow I can get this done, but it's kind of just being held up right now by a strap and the drive shaft. So, all right. Gang, rise up.